There are two n8n workflow to automate Twitter posting. One is for grabbing a blog post from a site that I have access to, make an API call, get a list of blog posts, and using OpenAI and Perplexity to create a Twitter post and publish them. So the first workflow is that, making the API call, and after that, we use OpenAI, one of the cheapest model, which is for our mini. We are using that to generate our initial tweet, and after that, feeding that to Perplexity to improve that tweet, to add some statistics, to add some interesting facts, etc. And because Perplexity has good amount of information in citation, etc., I'm actually logging those here as well for future use. And after that, again, passing this tweet to OpenAI, more intelligent model or 4 model to be able to process that and improve that again. And if it pass a couple of QA process, we sanitize the data, make sure if it looks good, etc. And after that, we tweet that. It's not a simple workflow just to generate a tweet from this content and post that on Twitter. So this is one workflow, and the other one is for videos. So I have a couple of YouTube videos, etc. And what it does is this grabs the YouTube videos, and after that, enrich this data using a specific video title description, because the first API doesn't return all the description. It brings truncated description of the YouTube video. So feed that again to OpenAI model. In this case, I don't want to add any fact, any Perplexity type of improvement, but I create the initial tweet, and after that, improve that again with chain of prompting. That's how it's called in prompt engineering, to improve the tweet again, and after that, sanitizing that and sending that to Twitter. So these are two workflows that brought in less than 7 days, brought around 4,000 impressions on Twitter.